Hello boys and girls, welcome back to mark making. Today's sound, it's a stretchy one. It's robot. Can you see the robot? Should we have a go at saying it? My turn. Robot, your turn. Fantastic, well done. Now today's writing poem is down his back, then curl over his arm. Shall we do it again? Join in. Down his back, then curl over his arm. Shall we have a go at writing it? I'm using a felt tip today. Down his back, then curl over his arm. Shall we do it again? Down his back, then curl over his arm. Robot. Why don't you have a go at home and send your pictures into your teachers? Bye.